If a car breaks down, you can open the hood to examine the engine and to find out what's gone wrong. As a developer, if your front end isn't working as expected, you can also open the hood to check what's going wrong. In fact, it's not just your own code that you can investigate. How about viewing other people's code? By the end of this video, you'll be able to access and make use of common web browser developer tools. Most web browsers come equipped with a set of developer tools that allow developers to inspect their HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. Also, to trace HTTP requests to the web server, investigate performance issues, and review web page security. Let's find out more by exploring the homepage of the Little Lemon Cafe. To begin, I've just opened the Little Lemon Cafe's web page on my Chrome browser. On the homepage, I can view their menu, but I want to explore the HTML structure of this menu. To do that, I need to open the developer tools. To open the developer tools in Chrome, press the F12 key on your keyboard for PC or Command-Option-J on Mac. Alternatively, you can right-click on the web page and select Inspect. There are various tabs on the top row of developer tools that provide different functionality. In this video, I'll give you a high-level explanation of some of the most used tools. First, let's open the Console tab. This tab outputs JavaScript logs and errors from your web application. The Sources tab shows all content resolved for the current page. It includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript images, and videos. With the Network tab, you can inspect the timeline and details of HTTP requests and responses for the web page. The Performance tab shows what the web browser is doing over time. It is useful if your web application is running slow because you can pinpoint the functions that are taking the most time. The Memory tab displays the parts of your code that are consuming the most resources. Finally, let's check the most used tab, the Elements tab. You can use this tab to inspect the document's HTML elements and their properties. For example, when I hover over an element in the Elements tab, it highlights that element in the browser pane. On the right side of the panel, there are tabs for inspecting the details of the elements further. This panel shows us what CSS is applied to an element and the result of the element displayed in the browser. You will explore these details in a later lesson. For now, you just need to know that if you click on an HTML element, then the information for that element will appear in the tab. Now, I'm going to demonstrate a fun trick. If you double-click the HTML, you can edit it in the web browser. For example, if I select the R menu body element, then I can change the first item in the menu from chicken burger to turkey burger. This doesn't change the content on the web server. It only updates it for me while the web page is open. If I open the web page again, it will reset. The web browser developer tools are a valuable part of your development toolkit to help you investigate and diagnose problems. And you now know how to access and make use of them. Great work.